Hello, today we are in the Yorkshire Dales. We are going to be visiting a place called Crackpot Hall. But first, I thought we would quickly pop to Wain Wath Force. We are just going down a slight hill. The water running underneath this bridge is actually part of the river that we saw earlier at the start of the video. Can you tell it's autumn with these lovely colours? These are just at the start of the walk after you cross over the little bridge. Now we have reached the top of the waterfalls. There is this lovely little bridge that we will be going over in just a moment. You follow it round and you come to this little ruined building. Wow, just look at that view. This is actually part of the Coast to Coast walk. Crackpot Hall is a derelict 18th century farmhouse. It overlooks Swaledale, near Gill. It was abandoned in the 1950s. Let's have a look inside. It's quite amazing how much of this is still standing after so many years. It was very handy the time we arrived here because it had just started to rain, but the wind was absolutely terrible. It was about 25 miles an hour. A bit of a different view from the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was actually really interesting seeing how much of it was still here. I visited, I'd say about 15 years ago, and I wasn't sure how much of it would still be left. Well, that was Crackpot Hall. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like, subscribe. If you liked this video and you would like to see some more Yorkshire Dales content, next week on Friday I'll be putting out another video from a location that was used in the original All Creatures Great and Small TV show.